हेलो फ्रेंड, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। तो मैं हूँ इंजीनियर तारिक जमाल और आप लोग देख रहे हैं मेरा चैनल सोल इंजीनियरिंग विद तारिक। तो फ्रेंड, आज का जो मेरा टॉपिक है वो है सेल्फ हीलिंग कंक्रीट। सेल्फ हीलिंग कंक्रीट is an innovative material designed to automatically repair cracks, significantly extending the lifespan of structures and reducing maintenance cost. This advanced concrete integrates special additives such as bacteria encapsulated healing agents or shape memory polymers that activate when cracks form, sealing them before they expand. By enhancing durability and reducing the need for repairs, self-healing concrete improves infrastructure resilience, lowers environmental impact, and contributes to more sustainable construction practices. This breakthrough technology is revolutionizing the way buildings, roads, and maintenance and bridges are maintained, making cities more efficient and long lasting. So thank you very much for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.